Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in this short video we're going to be doing more sticker swap shoutouts and add them to the sticker swap sticker wall. This is my 10th time doing sticker swap shoutouts, and that is just amazing and awesome. I love seeing the sticker swap sticker wall in the box fill up. They're almost full, so without further ado, let's start giving shoutouts. Garage Shop Creations, 3 Black Cats and a Crocodile, Fabrication and Welding. Salty Turtle Beer Company out of Surf City, North Carolina. Salty Turtle. I'm not going to say this because I will probably mispronounce it, but this sticker is all the way from Germany. And I do know his name is Andy. I just don't want to mispronounce it. Here we have a sticker I found cleaning up from the Handyman Club of America. It says charter member. Thought it was real cool, so I'm going to add it to the wall. Next we have Voodoo Daddy decals. Nice vinyl sticker there, and this is one of those stickers you peel off and it comes with the plastic, and then you put it down and smooth it out, and then you peel the plastic away. They also sent a guitar pick, that's really awesome, guys, to have your design on a guitar pick. I'll put this on the pick guard of my Les Paul guitar. Next we have GoPro, Be a Hero. I own a GoPro. I have the Hero 3 edition. It serves me well. I see no need to update it to get the newer one. I think they're up to, what, 7 now? But I love my GoPro Hero 3, and I used to do a lot of time lapses on my channel just driving around town, if you guys care to go back and see those. Thomas Badcock from the Garage. Nice little sticker there with his name on the side of the garage, or with the garage on the side of it. Really cool. Bay Area Maker Fair, May 17th to the 19th, 2019. And it just come to my mind, in the last sticker swap video, the sticker actually fell underneath my table saw, so I didn't get to give it a shout out, but I want to give a shout out to Rose Woodworks. I've already got their sticker put up here. Thank you guys for that sticker. Gay Dolphin Gift Cove in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I believe this is the largest gift shop on the East Coast. Really cool to go in there and just get lost and looking at all the nautical themed gifts they have. Dave's Garage. And Southern Grit and Grain, established 2019. Now, as always, let's get all these new and awesome stickers up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. All of the new stickers are up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. It's nearly full, just a little bit of space left right here to put some more awesome stickers, and then when it gets completely full, we're going to take the banner down and fill up the spot behind the banner, and I'll get a bunch of pictures of it when just this part gets full, so I'll have that for memories with the banner up there. The Handyman Club of America sticker is actually so old that the back, it won't peel off, so I'll probably hang this up somewhere in the shop with a thumbtack somewhere where it can still be seen. I also want to show you guys that where I get my lumber, Builder's Discount, Build Tough. They give me a free t-shirt since I'm there a lot of the times getting my wood and all, getting my 2x4s to make frames, and also getting my 1/4-inch plywood that I use a lot when scrolling. I will leave links in the description box down below to everyone's page that I can find and tag, so you can go and interact with them, follow them, and ask to sticker swap with them. It's a great way to network and get your name out in the community. That is about all for this video, guys. If you want to sticker swap with me, the Artisan Pirate, I will gladly send you an Artisan Pirate sticker. Just shoot me a message on one of my social medias that are linked below, and I'll be happy to get one out to you. Remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.